And this is the true definition of a rat rod. Look at the detail, the pinstriping on the front of the car. Got the
thing's awesome.
Down below. You got piston and everything on here. Look at the wheels and the tires. Those tires probably cost an arm and a leg. Look at the details on the engine. Tires sitting in there flush. This is dropped all the way to the ground. No interior inside. Has rust where it wants, exhaust in the front.
Did you see the front? This grill is all like camshafts and pistons.
Camshaft in the front for the grill. No seats, just beach chairs inside. I don't know if you can see that. Definitely one of the hottest cars here. Excellent looking vehicle. And he drives it this low, I promise you. Give you a look at the back of it. Sorry. Rusted out. This is one of the sickest rides I have seen. Beautiful car.